In this video, we'll be looking at DualSense controller connection problems and how to fix them. So if you have a red light appearing on your DualSense controller, or if it is trying to connect and you are having problems with connecting a second controller or connecting in general with your DualSense controller, let's try and fix it in this video. So with this DualSense controller, a lot of the main potential issues that you will get is if you press the home button, for example, it will not connect. It has a blue light showing, or it could have a red light showing, meaning that it could be the second controller and it is just not connecting to your PlayStation 5. How do we fix this? Well, the first way is to do a power cycle on the PlayStation 5 itself, connect the DualSense controller physically to the PlayStation 5, and also resetting the PlayStation 5 using this back button here. So with your DualSense controller, you'll normally get a USB Type-C connection. So we can use this to connect it to our PlayStation 5 Pro, which we have here, to be able to fix our connection issue. So now that we have this DualSense controller connected, let's press the home button and see what happens. Alright, so it's still not connecting. So now what we could potentially do is a power cycle. So all we need to do is go to the PlayStation 5 Pro and press the power button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Also, while we are resetting this PlayStation 5, we can press and hold this back button over here as well. So we can basically use like something like this. I've got the screw here. Just press and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so I've done 10 seconds. Now what we'll do is we'll restart the PlayStation 5. Alright, so we've rebooted the PlayStation 5 Pro. Now let's press the home button now. Now that we have a physical connection, we've reset the controller, and we have reset the actual PlayStation 5 Pro itself, it seems like it is good to go. So that is absolutely fantastic. So this works when you have a red light, you have a flashing light that is blue, it doesn't connect, for example, you have any of those issues, just resetting the PlayStation 5 DualSense controller at that back there for 5 seconds, pressing the PlayStation 5 power button for 5 seconds as well, resetting it all and reconnecting it. That's how you can connect a PlayStation 5 controller and solve a lot of problems that you have connection wise with the PlayStation 5. So I hope this video helps. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.